Aloha and welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today I'll be preparing for you chicken and ulu curry. Place a 10-inch saute pan on medium heat. Add in the coconut cream. When the cream starts crackling out, add in the curry paste and stir well. Add in the bell pepper, ulu, kafir lime leaf, and chicken. Stir well to coat each item with the curry paste mixture. Deglaze with the coconut milk and bring the mixture to a quick boil. Then simmer until the chicken is fully cooked. Add in the fish sauce, palm sugar, and stir well to incorporate. Turn off the heat, fold in the basil leaves, plate the curry, and garnish with coconut cream. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.